This use case leverages SmartViz, our visualization toolkit, to analyze data collected from video recordings captured by a drone and ground-level audio recordings. The primary objective here is to evaluate the potential use of drones in monitoring large open-space public events. Upon entering UNS1, we transition into SmartViz's dashboard with a collection of visualization widgets specifically chosen for this use case. The dashboard provides an overview of events during the time period selected as seen on top, presented in various visual formats. To observe pedestrian behavior, users can easily navigate through the available video streams by selecting them from the drop-down. This allows to play a video stream, and it is instrumental in gaining valuable insights into crowd dynamics. The crowd density heat map, a crucial tool for monitoring large public spaces, is an output of the VCC component and allows users to select specific cameras using the filter bar. This provides a detailed visualization of crowd density variations across different areas. I can use the player to go through the frames. Additionally, summary information about the number of detected pedestrians is displayed. Moving on, a dynamic table showcases the count of pedestrians detected over time. The Details widget helps us drill into all the available information, sort, filter, and select only what is of interest for us. Resetting the filters shows all the available data from all the cameras. What sets this apart is the ability to watch corresponding video snippets for each detection. This not only enhances the user's understanding, but also allows for the verification of the accuracy of pedestrian detection through visual inspection. In conclusion, SmartViz, with its user-friendly interface and a suite of powerful visualization tools, enables efficient analysis and evaluation of drone-collected data.